to insert image in Trello. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to insert image in your Trello account. So first of all, just simply open the Trello official website, and after that just simply log into your account using your credentials. And once you have logged in into your Trello account, just simply open your workspace in which you are working on right now. So for example, I'm working on this particular workspace which says this name. And in order to add image in the workspace, just simply click on the board in which you want to add the image, and just open the card right here. You can add the image in any card of your choice, and from the right hand side menu screen you can see all these options. Just simply click on the attachment option from the list. Just simply click on choose a file. Now just simply explore your export file that you would want to insert into the Trello board. So for example, I want to insert this particular image right here. Yeah, so for example, I want to insert this particular image right here. Just simply click on open, and you can see that the file has been uploading right now. You just have to wait until this uploads completely. And once it is done, you can see that this particular file has been uploaded in my Trello board. So yeah, this is basically how you will be able to insert image in Trello. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.